In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create separate folder in Outlook for specific emails. If your inbox feels cluttered or you want important messages to land in one place, this walkthrough will help you create a dedicated folder and automatically sort emails into it. We'll start by making the folder, then move a message manually, and finally set up a rule so Outlook does the sorting for you going forward. First, look to the left folder pane in Outlook. Right-click your email account name or your inbox. From the menu that appears, choose New Folder or Create New Folder. A text box will appear in the list. Type a clear, descriptive name such as Project Emails, and press Enter. That saves the folder instantly. If you prefer to keep things nested, you can create a subfolder instead. To do that, right-click an existing folder and select New Subfolder. This is helpful for grouping related topics under one umbrella. Now, let's move an email into your new folder so you can see it in action. Select any email that belongs there, then click and drag it onto the folder you just created in the left pane. When you release the mouse, Outlook moves the message into that folder. This is a quick way to clean up, especially when you're organizing a few messages by hand. To make the process automatic, we'll set up a rule. Start by selecting an email from the sender you want to filter, or one that contains the keyword you care about. With the message selected, go to the Home tab and choose Rules, then Create Rule. You can also right-click the email and choose Rules, then Create Rule from the context menu. In the Create Rule dialog, check the box that matches your filter, such as From to target that sender, or Subject contains to look for specific words. Next, check Move the item to folder. Click Select Folder, then choose the folder you created earlier so Outlook knows where to send those messages. Click OK to confirm. If you want Outlook to tidy up your mailbox immediately, choose to run the rule on existing messages. Then click Finish. From now on, any new emails that meet your conditions will go straight to that folder, keeping your inbox focused and your projects organized. If something doesn't sort as expected, reopen the rule to adjust the sender or keywords. That's it. Thanks for watching.